Well, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off developer options on Android. First thing you do is tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you scroll down all the way down to the last option where you see developer options. Tap on it. It will open up options that help you to change a lot of stuff on your device. So if now I want to turn it off, so at the top here we can see on. So let me tap it off. Now note, right now I'm using show touches. This show touches is an option that helps me to see. You can see this like the ball that shows where my fingers touch. Use this to show view updates, show surface, show tabs. Yes, you can see show visual feedback for tabs. That's what I'm using right now. If I turn it off, you see I'm touching the screen, but you can see why that ball has appeared. Now you can see it now. Now I've turned it on under developer options. Now once I turn the developer option off, it's gonna go away. So if I turn it off now, this is what we're trying to do. We've turned off developer option. Now if I go back, the last, you can see the last item on my settings is also gone. No more developer options. I have no more access to developer options. And now you can see that my show touches isn't working anymore. You can see that's showing that ball has gone. So it's as simple as that.